the soft green grass at the break of day, a little white rabbit came out to play. The sun said hello with a warm golden glow, as daisies danced gently, swaying slow. Hop, hop, hop went the rabbit's feet, tickled by grass so cool and sweet. He wiggled his nose and twitched his ear. Every sound in the meadow was fun to hear. Butterflies fluttered, yellow and blue. They circled the rabbit like friends they knew. He chased their shadows across the field, laughing in joy that his heart revealed. The grass was tall, the grass was wide, a perfect place for a bunny to hide. Peek-a-boo, he popped up with glee, playing a game with the buzzing bee. The bee said and zoomed away, while the rabbit rolled in the grass to play. Round and round he tumbled so fast, landing softly on clover at last. Near a small pond where the water shone bright, dragonflies sparkled like stars in light. The rabbit drank drops of morning dew, fresh and cool like the sky so blue. Birds sang songs from the old oak tree, a happy meadow melody. The rabbit clapped paws, tap, 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 then stretched out flat for a tiny nap. But playtime called, no time for rest. He hopped through grass, feeling happy and blessed. Over little hills and under the sun, every jump felt like pure fun. When the sky turned pink and the day grew slow, fireflies lit up, starting to glow. The rabbit smiled, tired but glad, thinking of all the fun he had. Back to his burrow, cozy and deep, he curled in a ball and drifted to sleep, dreaming of grass and games so bright, waiting to play again tomorrow's light. The end, or maybe just the start.